Herbriller is a very good brand. We got to know the owner of the brand in Japan. Why we support them is because we want to look at natural products that are for the skin, good for the hair. So when we talk about the possible collaboration, we look at a few things. The first thing is we are looking at healthcare and how we could use blockchain technology with their products. And secondly, we are really talking to a healthcare product in Singapore. We realize that healthcare, natural products is something that is highly sought after. So that's the reason why we work with Herbriller.